Are you ready to crack your dream job interview? Whether you're preparing for your first job or aiming to level up your career, we all know how nerve wracking interviews can be. But don't worry, I've got your back. In today's video, we are building a cutting edge AI powered app to help you ace any interview, from technical rounds to behavioral questions. This app has it all. And the idea for this app came from one of you, a subscriber who left a comment in my last video. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's code your way to success. March is around the corner, and you know what that means? It's hiring season. Companies start setting up interviews, and if your manager tells you that's your hike for the year, you'll want to confidently respond, I've got a better offer. But how do you prepare for your dream job? Stay with me till the end because I'm about to show you a game changer. So here's the plan. We'll use Python, Streamlit, and Gemini AI to create an app that prepares tailored interview questions for you. Whether it's technical, behavioral, or programming, this app generates custom questions based on the level you choose: beginner, intermediate, advanced, or even expert. And guess what? I've already deployed this app as a service, so you can start using it today. The link to access it is below in the description. Sounds cool, right? Let's dive in. First, let's set up the foundation for our app. We'll be using Streamlit for the front end and Google's Gemini for creating the interview questions. And let's start building it step by step. First, we'll import necessary modules and create required variables. Next, we'll initialize session variables with defaults, set up the API key, and configure our model. I'm using Gemini 2.0 Flash, which is absolutely incredible for this task. After that, we'll define the headers and input fields for the topic, type of question, difficulty level, and number of questions. We'll also add two buttons, one to generate questions and another to reset everything. Finally, we'll call the LLM to generate the questions seamlessly. Alright, let's test this app in action. I'll enter some details. Let's say you're preparing for a front-end development role with React.js. You want programming questions at an intermediate level, and let's go with 15 questions. And there you have it. Your personalized interview questions are ready in seconds. Isn't that amazing? You can tweak the settings as you need, whether you want more situational or behavioral ones. This app adapts to your needs, and we'll try some more combinations. And since this app is deployed as a service, you can access it anytime to jumpstart your preparation. Simply enter your Gemini API key, and if you're unsure how to get it, check out my previous video, Gemini is free, for a step by step guide. I'll link it somewhere. Check out the app, give me a short feedback, and I'll try to add more features to this app based on your needs. Remember, in today's competitive market, you gotta stay ahead of the trends. Knowing what to prepare and how to prepare can make or break your next big interview. So don't wait until the last minute, start practicing now. Before I wrap up, let me tell you this app isn't just for practice, it's your secret weapon for cracking any interview. Want access to the interview prompts that I have used here? Subscribe to my channel and connect with me on Instagram. I'll share all the details with you there. And that's it for today's video. If you really enjoyed this app, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which role you are preparing for and if my app has been helpful to you. Until next time, stay awesome, keep coding, and crush those interviews.